Your company makes dozens of decisions today, in meetings, in Slack, over email, in 5 minutes at someone's desk, and almost none of them survive the day. Now imagine every one was captured the moment it happened, so you could audit your own decision-making the way you'd audit anything else that mattered. Recently, we spent a significant sum to launch Hive at AI4, the USA's largest AI conference. I wanted to know what decisions we made that served us and those that did not. So I asked our company brain, Hive, for the actual audit. 44 decisions, traced from the day we signed the sponsorship to today. Nobody assembled this by hand. And here's what it found. We signed in October, then nothing, no decisions logged for 7 months. Nobody had assigned an owner. Nobody remembered that gap being the problem. The audit did because it wasn't remembering. It was reading what actually happened. It also doesn't grade on a curve. 44 decisions and its own verdict. 34 held up, 7 mixed, 3 cost us, including one of mine. It traced almost everything that went wrong back to a single call I made in October. And it didn't stop at the postmortem. This same report is what we use to decide whether to renew for next year, with the actual criteria and the one number worth getting before deciding. Nobody wrote this to make us look good. It just wrote down what happened. Now, with every decision immutably recorded, I can be a better leader. That's the benefit of a company brain. That's the benefit of Hive.